This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Level 3. First, familiarize yourself with the unique exam format, which includes both essay and multiple-choice questions. This level requires a different approach than previous ones, focusing heavily on application. Plan to dedicate a minimum of 300 hours to your studies, ideally spread over 4 to 6 months. A structured study plan is crucial for covering all the material effectively and managing your time wisely. To truly master the curriculum, concentrate on understanding the why behind each concept, rather than rote memorization. Level 3 emphasizes application, so deep comprehension is key. Pay special attention to the ethics and global investment performance standards sections, as they carry significant weight and are often tested in nuanced ways. Always use the official curriculum materials. They are the most accurate and comprehensive source for your preparation. Extensive practice is non-negotiable for Level 3. Dedicate significant time to practicing essay questions, focusing on clear, concise answers that directly address the prompt. Aim to complete at least 2 full mock exams under timed conditions to simulate the actual experience. After each practice session, meticulously review all your answers, especially the incorrect ones. Understanding your mistakes is vital for improving and solidifying your knowledge before exam day. In the final weeks, prioritize rest and well-being to ensure you are mentally sharp. On exam day, arrive at the testing center well in advance, with all necessary identification and permitted items. During the exam, manage your time carefully, allocating appropriate minutes to each question. If you encounter a difficult question, make your best attempt and move on. A calm and confident approach will significantly enhance your performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.